where these persons can do running and jumping. Look at here. Listen and check your prediction for activity 1, which we have done. Track number 6 is in front of you. I want you to listen track 6. Track 6. Okay? I'm going to play for you even it is in front of you. Okay, ready?
Track 6. Ever wondered about those quiet kids at the back of the class with their noses in their books? Could there be more than meets the eye? In this amazing adventure story, watch 4 geeky friends transform themselves into epic superheroes when they discover a secret potion during a class science experiment and save their city from a terrifying attack by wicked alien invaders. For Layla, Mike, Abdul and Cassie, life suddenly got a whole lot more exciting. Watch 4 ordinary kids find extraordinary powers to become the Power Pals. And in the face of a deadly ground invasion and terrifying cyber attack, it is not a moment too soon. Layla suddenly finds she can leap and jump her way from building to building with athletic and agile moves that leave the bad guys standing and gawping. Very handy when you have a whole army of villains on your tail. Mike finds powerful muscles that were certainly never there before. As the alien invaders jump, he is suddenly strong enough to catch them mid-air with his bare hands and save his friends from a terrifying attack. Abdul used to be scared of almost everything. Then, suddenly, the fear disappeared and he became fearless. When his friends are captured, he shows just how brave he can be and breaks into the place where the villains are hiding to rescue his friends from danger. And Cassie is the girl who really saves the day. She becomes super intelligent and works out the code that breaks the cyber attack, just in time to save the city.
So that is track 6. I hope the voice is clear. So I want you to read from the script also. The script is in front of you. Just read Layla part, Mike, Abdul and Casey. Last 4 paragraphs. Hurry up. Read for yourself. I'm giving you 1 minute. Hurry up. I'm giving you 1 minute. Please read about Layla, Mike, Abdul and Casey. Hurry up. Hurry up. When you're ready and finished, give me a sign of a thumbs up. Yes. When your reading is finished, give me a sign of a thumbs up. Hurry up. Yes. Okay. Thank you. See, here is the chart, which is on page number 23. Question 4. Listen again and complete the table in your book. I played the track for you, and after that, I said to you to please read the passage. See, Layla. Adjectives are given agile and athletic. Both are having same meaning. Like in athletic, they told us about jumping and running, and agile, it's quickly and easily move. So in short, we can say she can jump from building to building. What about Mike? What about Mike? With suitable adjective, what do you think? Mike. Yes. Track is in front of you. See, Mike finds powerful muscle. Yes. What is the suitable adjective? Yes. Hurry up. Select and write in the chat. Write in the chat box. Okay. Okay. Hurry up. Okay, now Tell me about Abdul. Abdul. Okay. Let me give you a review. Okay. A track is in front of you, Abdul. Abdul used to be scared of almost everything. Then suddenly the fear disappeared and he became fearless. Yes. So what is the adjective for him? I'm not telling you. You people will tell me, then I'll share my answer with you. What about Cassie? Cassie. Okay, see the track? Last, read the paragraph for Cassie. Yes. Yes, hurry up, read it. Okay. Look at on the screen. Laila. You can see the picture at the bottom. Laila is the girl which is having a alphabet D. Agile, athletic, she can jump from building to building. Mike, powerful. Which adjective they use? Powerful. He can catch alien invaders with his bare hands. Abdul, fearless. Before, what type of person he was? He breaks into a place where villains are hiding. Cassie, super intelligent. She works out a code that breaks the cyber attack. Come on here. Question number 5. Listen and repeat the adjectives. Adjectives are here. It is also your track 7. It is also your track 7. How many syllables do they have? Let me explain you what is syllables. Syllables, listen very carefully. Look at the box which is with the heading of example. Leave everything and listen to me very carefully. The word is written kicking. Kicking. How many sounds are coming from my mouth? See, kick, in, kick, in. It's me. It's having two syllables like kick, ing, in, kicking. So we can say the word kicking is having two syllables. Two syllables. The word we divide into a sound. Kick, in, kicking. Okay, look at the next. The word is monster. Monster. Please focus on the sound. Mom, mom, stir. How many syllables are there? Two. The first, we divide the word into half like mom, stairs. So we can say it's having two syllables. Mom, stair. Simon Ejaz and Suleiman Ejaz, stop talking and listen to me. Explain. Explain. So, according to the sound, this word is divided in two syllables. Explain. I want you to listen track 7. To listen track 7 and then tell me the word beautiful, athletic, intelligent, and power are having how many syllables? So now listen.
Track 7. Beautiful.
Athletic.
Intelligent.
Powerful.
Yes. Write your answer in the chat box about the beautiful. What do you think? How many syllables? How many syllables are there? Yes. About beautiful. Hurry up. Write in the chat box. Okay. Look at on the screen. 3 syllables. Beautiful. Athletic. Yes. What about the next? What about the next? Yes. Athletic. See? 3 syllables. Intelligent. Intelligent. Yes. Intelligent. How many? How many? Yes. See, 4 syllables are there. Powerful. Powerful. Yes. Powerful. See, 3 syllables are there. If this lecture is clear to you, please give me a sign of a thumbs up. Then I'll go for the next. Hurry up. Okay, Simon. But you were busy in the silly things. How can you say you are clear? I'm watching to you. Both of you. Okay. What about other people? Okay, come on here. Adjectives. These all words are adjectives, synonyms, which are having the same meaning. All words which are in front of you on your screen, all these words are adjective. But what we are going to do, we are find out the words which are having the same meaning but with different spellings. Different spellings, but their meanings are same. See, the example is done fast and quick. The both words having the same meaning. So I want you to find out the words for these adjectives. The first is quick, second is gift, third is buddy, fourth is dirty, fifth is simple, sixth is correct, seven is difficult, eight is loud, nine is throw, 10 is awful, 11 is tiny, and 12 is cute. Yes, please write your answer in the chat box. Hurry up. Yes, write your answer in the chat box. I'm giving you a 2 minutes. 2 minutes is, it's, I think, okay, 1 minute is enough. Hurry up. Yes, write your answer in the chat box. Hurry up. Do your work with very carefully, as I know I'm taking a class of a beautiful people, intelligent people. Yes, hurry up. Okay, that's great. What about other people? Hurry up. Record your answers in the chat box. Yes. Okay. Look at the screen. Quick, fast, gift, present, buddy, friend, dirty, messy. Simple, easy, correct, right, difficult, hard, loud, noisy. Through, toss, awful, bad, tiny, small, cute, and handsome. Another activity is here. Yes. Each word has 2 shades of meaning. 2 shades of meaning, 2 same meanings. Before that, we have done with the single meaning, but now it's a list of a lot of meaning. Each word is having 2 shades of meaning, means 2 synonyms. Like large, I'm not going to tell the answer. You people will write in the chat box. Large, find the suitable word, 2 suitable words. Hurry up. Word list is in front of you. Luminous, little, cherry, beautiful, dash, chalk, leaf, purist, huge, joyful, witty, upset, charm. Yes. Humorous. Yes. Yes. Write your answers. Hurry up. Hurry up, my boys and girls. I'm waiting for your response. Yes. 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 If you have a dictionary, please keep with yourself, okay? You have to use your dictionary. Yes. See. Large, huge, luminous. It means all 3 words are similar. Small, tiny, little. All 3 are lying in the same category. Angry, a new word which is added in our dictionary. Curious and upset. Pretty, beautiful, attractive, funny, humorous, and witty. Run, see. The synonyms of the word run both are new for you. Dash and jog. Dash and jog. Dash and jog are with the same meaning. Run. Happy, joyful, cheery, hope, see, jump, and leap. This is your homework. Write down your diary. Write down your diary. Hurry up. Simon Ejaz, write down your diary. Find the word that has. Look at on your screen. Please open your diary. Open your diary. Find the word that has been divided into syllables correctly. 6 words are given with the different syllables. You have to pronounce the word and then you will able to know which sound or which syllables is correctly divided. Write your diary. This is your homework. Yes. Hurry up. Yes. Yes, you will do this work in English B copy. Okay, Myra Amir. Thank you, beta. You will do this homework in English B. Yes. If your diary is done, please say done. Yes, Umar, in English B copy. You will do this homework in English B copy. Okay, Mutahir. Okay, what about other people? Hurry up. Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, I want you to stay with me. Okay, okay, thank you. No, Fatima. Okay, Panita. Okay, Abis.
Teacher, only 3 minutes left.
Hey, beta. No need to do this all work in your copy, only your homework. This is a new thing for you. In English B. Okay, beta. Stay with me and look it on your screen. I want you to see this. See. These are complete notes of Unit 2, Lesson 1. See. Answers are already here. Teacher has done for you. Table. Have a look. Make sentences. Words are there. Do practice these word sentences on your rough copy. Describe likes and dislikes. See, the same work we have done yesterday. Okay, see. Use the phrases we have done nicely. This is your English part, English B part, Unit 2, Lesson 1. And here is the creative writing or the paragraph writing which I gave you as a homework yesterday. I hope you have done your work. This is all for today. Thank you for your time. Still, if you want to ask, if you want to say anything, please write in the chat box. Please write in the chat box. No Sara Shahid, only your homework. Please, buddy, why you always asking for the pages? Are we discussing the pages? Why not you sit with the proper attention?